Time to feed Kingston. Baby Kingston. Look at baby Kingston in the grass. Hanging out. What up, Kingston? What up, Kingston? Baby Kingston. What's up, Kingston? You hungry this morning, Kingston? Yo, Kingston, what the hell? I think the bird bath working. The bird bath is not working this morning for some reason. Let's find out what's going on, Kingston. Let's find out what's going on, baby Kingston. Baby Kingston. What up, Kingston? What up, Kingston? What up, Kingston? What's up, Kingston? What's up, Kingston? What's up, Kingston? Baby Kingston. Baby Kingston. Baby Kingston. Kingston. And we got this. And we got some foodies. Foodies for Kingstons. No. These num-nums for Kingstons. Oh my goodness. Look at the Kingston. What's up, Kingston? Kingston. There you go. There you go. I can't. I got a little neck thing for my camera, for my phone, and it don't work real good either. Can't really tell what's going on. But yeah, got a little pad right there. I put 4 pavers down. I heard cats like concrete. So I put her one down there. She can eat on it and rub herself on it if she wants to. Or not. I'm going to put it somewhere higher up. It's hard for me to bend down like that. Get on my knees like that. Anyway, I'm making headway with the cat. She let me rub her like for a little bit yesterday. I just stood there until she came to me and let me rub her. And she came and I rubbed her. But the mosquitoes was tearing me apart, so I had to leave. Now I gotta feed the birds. And the way I'm gonna do that, get a damn bucket. Get this bucket. Go over here and figure out why my bird bath ain't working. Well, even though I put it with a brick on it, it still ended up. Yes, it turned over. We got to figure out a way to keep it from falling over. It had suction cups on it, but every time I pulled it up from the bottom of the bird bath, the suction cups would come off and stick to the bird bath. So I took those things off, took the suction cups off. So, yeah. Anyway, I don't know if you can see it. Here's my bird bath. It's got a thing up here for putting food at, and there's a bird feeder, and then here's a thing with my water in it. It's just a water heater pan. I figured it would be good. I got a black one. I'm gonna take this one in the wintertime. I'm gonna take this one down and put a black one up here, so the water will kind of stay warmer, hopefully. Yeah. Anyway, I gotta clean this out. Just dump the water out. It's pretty clean. I'll take some of the water I bring back and kind of rinse it out. I wish I had a hose come over here. I got this barrel. This 55-gallon drum here from the dumpster. I pulled a bulkhead fitting on it and a drain. Yeah. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's about full. And I ain't even like put no gutters or anything to it. It's just water falling in from the sky, and it's almost full. I just don't know if it's safe to give it to the birds or whatever. I need to find out what I need to do to rainwater to make it where it's safe for animals to drink it or whatever. I mean, I guess they drink rainwater in the wild, don't they? But I mean, if it's sitting in that barrel, it's liable to get some kind of bacteria or something in it. I just wonder if it needs to be purified or something done to it. I need to find out before I try to put it in the bird bath. I was thinking that would be the best thing for them. You know, the most natural thing for them would be rainwater instead of treated water from the city. Well, I was thinking about, I was using condensate from the air conditioner, because it comes out on the side of the house, and I mean gallons of that stuff come out. And as far as I know, condensate water is clean. You know, it's just pure water, except for whatever's, you know, in the lines. You know, it could be in the lines. But I mean, you know, what is really going to be in there? You know? So I was thinking about using that. I have been using that. I just have a bucket set up under the condensate drain, and I just catch the water. It usually fills up like a 5-gallon bucket overnight, in the course of a day, if not more. So I have plenty of water. But I don't have to use city water. I just don't know. I'm the same thing. I don't know if it's really safe for the birds or whatever to drink or bathe in. I would think it would be. I don't know. It's been kind of cool the last couple of days, so they ain't really been running the air conditioner, so I ain't really got water around there. So it's got to get some from the tap. Heard my truck. Hey, hello, truck. Hello. I'm a truck. I like riding around. I like running. I like rolling. I like going up hills. I like going down hills. I like carrying stuff. Okay, truck, goddamn, calm down. Okay, so anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and just put it on the ground there. Get my bucket. Clean it out. Just wash it out. I gotta wash it. You ever heard of that, man? I'm sorry, I'm acting insane. Hold on, I pitched a fit for a second. I'm good now. Anyway, now I put I got some bricks up here so little birds can stand on them. And put one right in the middle. There's a spout there. It's jury rigged right now. I'm gonna fix it more permanent later. I'm gonna put some hard pipe up here and put a shower kind of pointing straight down in the middle, coming up from this. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that later on. I got too much stuff to do right now, but anyway. Let me put some water in it. Oh, shit. Okay. There we go. And now it's running. It ain't running real good because it's not sunny right now. I got a solar panel up there running it. I also got my security camera up there, and it's got a solar panel too. Don't get a whole lot. Kind of chose the wrong place in the yard to put this pole. But it said I was going to put a bat house on it, which I did. That's what that is up there. It's a bat house. It's a crappy bat house. I could have built one better than that. I bought that thing. It was $35, and it's made out of like balsa wood. It's insane. And then as soon as the first time it rained on it, it started warping and getting gaps in it and stuff. I had to put screws in it, and the screws wouldn't hardly hold because the wood's so soft. Yeah, don't buy a bat house from Walmart. Anyway, there's my security camera up there. It can swivel around. I can even watch the birds with it. Anyway, so that's that. So there's my start of my day. Have a good day.